Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will be showing you all AI features that you can find on OPPO Find X9 Ultra. Let's begin. And we can start off with simply showing the list of every single AI feature. And we can find it by going into the settings, scrolling down a little and going into that OPPO AI thing. Now we have few different things, and I don't really have the ability to cover everything, but I will try to cover the most important functions ever. So first of all, something that is actually not here is the AI edit tool for photos. We can go into our photos and, for example, something like, maybe not my hand. I actually missed that. Well, whatever. Let's say we have something like this. We can go into Edit Tool, AI Editor, and in here we have a few different things. We have the AI Recompose, AI Eraser, Portrait Glow, Perfect Shot, Enhance Clarity, Unblur, and Remove Reflections. I'm going to cover AI Eraser because I do think it's probably the most popular one. It's basically very easy. All you want to do is you want to lasso over something you want to remove, like this, and it will just remove it like that, like the Thanos or something. And of course, we can also use the paint over. So we can paint over, for example, these shadows here we want to also remove. And hopefully it will work. And, well, it generated us a stone or something. I have no idea what it did. But basically it works just like that. You can also play around with removing different people from photos or other things. But this is how this looks. Is it really good? I don't think so, but it's good enough, I guess. Anyway, going on, we have something called Summary for our recordings. We can go into our recordings, which is like that, and we can go into Transcribe, or we can go into AI Summary or AI Clear Voice. I'm going to go with AI Summary. Now this might weigh. Now, of course, it is really up to the length of the audio you have. I have a 1 minute, very short, very short audio. So hopefully we have a summary that is, well, actually it failed to generate text due to a server error. Well, that's unfortunate, but we can go into transcript and we can also use AI to transcribe our text. So hopefully the transcription will work. And maybe the servers in the OPPO are working correctly. But I do believe that for most of the time it should work fine. At least I think so. Now, as you can see, the transcribing process is very long, even for a 1 minute audio file. And usually we have like podcasts and all of that. So you probably want to enable transcription and leave your phone somewhere. But make sure that it stays connected to the charger. So it's pretty funny that we have 2 speakers, even though I actually recorded all of that. And yeah, well, that's basically all. It's the hate monologue from I have no mouth and I must scream. And it's pretty sad that it didn't really let us look for the summary. Maybe it will generate summary now that we do have transcription, but it won't. Well, that's unfortunate. Anyway, continuing, we have something called AI Writer. So we can go into our notepad here. We also have hate monologue here. So let's go into amazing. Let's go into pencil icon. And now we have a few different things. Now, all of these are AI functions. But once again, it is kind of impossible for me to cover every possible thing, like polishing, formatting, and all of that. But let's go into write anything. And for example, it should write us anything we want. So let's say that we want to the best selling game idea that will, I have no idea how to type, earn me millions. Let's see what it will do. And, oh, actually, that's quite a lot. Sure, let's go into Insert. And as you can see, the AI said that the best game idea that will completely give me millions is the Nexus of Legends. In a world saturated with fleeting digital experiences, a new paradigm emerges, promising not just entertainment, but an immersive journey that transcends the boundaries of the screen. If you actually are interested in reading what it's... that was my bad. Let's hit done. If you're actually interested in reading that, I can slowly scroll down, so we can pause the video and read it yourself. But from what I'm seeing, it is pretty funny. Yeah, there's no way it would actually be best game-selling game ever. But whatever, as you can see, we have our basically built-in ChatGPT inside of our notes. We can also go here and, not that, we can also do other things, like for example, we can proofread. And actually it looks like the proofreading is different, but sure, we can replace it. Let's just close and clear. Or for example, we can do formatting, so we can format this differently. And I have no idea why the text is appearing so slowly. But as you can see, it does indeed add few things. But yeah, it will probably take a moment. Okay, I paused the recording and it should finally stop. Yes, so you can replace it. And now we have replacement of beautiful game idea. Amazing. And as a last AI feature that is on this list is something called AI Translate. So we can go into Translate, which is this application right here, and we can enter text to translate. Now, the AI version of that is, it basically allows us to, for example, take a photo and then translate it directly, but instead I can, for example, say something in different language and then it should automatically translate. Before I do that though, we do have the ability to go here and you can switch from male to female if you want to. I don't really care about that.
Enjoy the robust translation service.
And yeah, we can change the voice speed, but let's just go into the application. Let's try to say something. So for example, koniecznie zasubskrybuj nasz kanał HardReset.Info channel. Amazing, and as you can see, it did translate. We can listen to that.
Be sure to subscribe to our HardReset.Info channel.
Beautiful. So yeah, this is basically all the AI features that you can find on OPPO Find. Unfortunately, some features are missing that are really that are absent, and you can find it on other phones. Probably what I really wanted is the ability to summarize notes. So for example, we could summarize all of that, but it's just absent. We have no ability to do that, and it looks like really bad business decision, even though we do have ability to summarize recordings, even though they actually fail to work properly, but let's leave that. So yeah, I hope that video has successfully helped you on deciding if you want to use AI features on this phone or not, or if you want to even get that phone in the first place. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time!